that those W-2s, 1099s, those transcripts used to not be available until late May of every year. That means they weren't helpful in filing tax returns on the 415 deadline. Well, the IRS has announced a change. They're going to make them available as of March 31st of this year. Now, we want to see this. We want to see this, that we've seen the dates move farther and farther up. But if it's available during that time, you can use that to help you file. Now, I use some caution here because remember, this wage and income information as of March may not include all different types of information statements. So I'm thinking like paper file 1099s and such. The 5498s likely won't show up on that time. So the more perfected version usually is in July and such, where it has all of those wage and income information. But you could use this as a great starting point, right? It's a great guideline to go ahead and be able to pre-fill forms, understand income at that point in time. So it's going to be available likely on March 31st. I think this is actually the really big game changer for us tax professionals. Let's get information before we file the return, especially about income, so we can avoid those CP 2000 notices and we don't make return errors for our clients. Individual wage and income transcripts, I'll give you W-2s and 1099s, but what about the 1099s filed for business income under that EIN? Well, the IRS has announced that coming soon is business income transcripts, which is going to show those 1099s reported under that business EIN. So this is another watch item in here. This will help you file these small business tax returns, 1099Ks, 1099 miscellaneous, 1099 NECs, if you get those, S-Corp returns, things like that. There's matching programs that go on here also. This will actually help you vet some of that income information. So that's coming also. Another big change, and give it up to NATP for kind of pushing this one, but 1095As, those healthcare forms that have those advanced premium tax credits on it that you have to reconcile on the return, they are now available for 2023 and 2024 in the taxpayer online account. Now, they're not available to us in a wage and income transcript. We hope that's going to be coming soon, but taxpayers can go online and actually get that in their IRS account. So that's a big change here. That's going to avoid a lot of those 12C notices where we didn't reconcile that advanced premium tax credit with the 8962 and avoid a lot of those return rejects. So big changes there, a lot of other miscellaneous changes. You can see the IRS is trying to solve a lot of problems for taxpayers and tax professionals with these new transcripts and digital tools.